Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of these You Are the Bee's Knees salad plates from the Dollar Tree and one of the glass candle holders. What I want to do is make a little dish to go on my console table right inside my front door, somewhere where I can kind of toss my keys this spring. I always like to have a tray or a bowl or something there, and I think this will work well. I chose this candle holder because it's not very tall. I don't want it to fall over or anything like that, being that people are going to be tossing their keys in and out of it. And so I think this will be the right size. I thought we could decorate it though with some Dollar Tree rope. And so I just start here at the top of it, making sure I kind of go almost flush, but leaving a little bit of the glass exposed. You're not going to be able to see that underneath the table. And this has kind of an interesting shape. It goes in and out, but I think it will work. I'm just taking some of the thinner brown rope from the Dollar Tree and attaching it with hot glue as I go because I want to make sure that it stays close all the way around the different like elevations on this one. I just had a scrap piece of rope. It wasn't quite long enough, but that's okay. We can always start and restop this pretty easily. Just make sure you kind of glue down any like loose fibers that you have to make it look a little bit better. I was just going to do this with rope, but then I decided to take it up a notch and kind of make it look like a little mini bee skep underneath. I thought that would be fun. Here at the bottom, I kind of cut it a little bit of an angle so I'll get more of a flat bottom. And then the first thing I'm going to do is just burn the fuzzies off the Dollar Tree rope here to get us started. The little plate itself is perfect. It's so cute. And I really wanted to find something I could DIY with it. So I was really happy with how this project turned out. I also want to make sure I don't have any hot glue on there. I try to use my heat gun for that. And then I'm just going to use a black paint pen. We're just going to paint a little black circle on here for an opening. Nothing crazy. And just painting the rope itself, pretty easy to do. And then we're going to cover it with a few bees as well. So that is that really cute little plate. I love it. I love the saying on there too. It's a really cute saying to greet people when they come in and toss their keys in here. I'm just using hot glue on the rope and peeling the double-sided tape off the back of those little wooden bees from Amazon and attaching them all over. I think 3 is going to be enough because it's not super big. And now it's just a matter of attaching. Since I'm doing ceramic to glass, I want to use a stronger glue. I'm going to use some of this Gorilla Glue and just let it have some time to set up so it'll be a little bit stronger than hot glue would. And I just go around the rim, making sure to center that on the plate just like that. And then I'm just going to have to set this aside so it will dry. This is how it turned out, my little tray. I have a whole bunch of my bee DIYs displayed near my front door, and I think this is going to be the perfect final touch. I can put it on the console right next to the door, and we can just toss our keys in there. Nothing really heavy or anything like that. And I think it's nice and short enough to work well for this purpose, but I also think it's really cute.